had to bring my friends along. We're just chilling at home, so I thought, let me bring my friends and entertain them with a little bit of soccer today.
Today has been epic because we've seen how consistent the boys are going to be in the CAF, which is amazing, which means that we might be bringing it home this year. And also, it was good to just see how the supporters came out in numbers. The game was happening during the week at night, but they still came through to support, which was amazing.
It always feels amazing, always feels amazing. It's more special when it's a younger person, because they are the future, right? So if a younger person loves you that much, so you have to do what you have to do. But I always appreciate it from everybody, but it's special from a younger person.
Bana ba ga tšeko ma 2000 and upwards go ya go pele ba rata amapiano re nna re ba le ba khale ba dikwaito di batwate so no re fa bana ba nyane daiteng ntengoleng ba inyaka ba tlo ikreya vibe ya ga tšeko ipone amapiano it was for the kids because ba rata amapiano chairman Hlopi ntho irang ra rata ra leboga re khopela eska fella mo.
I think the fireworks was really something that not anybody was expecting, and it was really beautiful, to be honest.